Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Today I wanted to do a practical print that will help us do videos in the future.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This model is called XZ Access Prusa i3 MK2S clipped camera holder on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description. This clips to the X carriage and moves up and down with the Z axis. This will allow us to mount our Logitech C310 and hopefully get better time-lapse videos. This was printed in Hatchbox PETG with a 245-degree nozzle, a 90-degree bend, and 0.2 layer height. This was printed on the Prusa MK2S. Let me show you how it goes together. For this assembly, you will need an M316 or an M318 screw with an M3 nut. That's all the assembly. Once you mount it onto the X carriage, just put the camera on. The designer originally printed this in ABS, so my dad made me scale it down for PETG. But when we printed it, it was too small. I printed it again at 100% and it fit just fine. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, just remember, when life gives you melons, you might be dyslexic.